Next up is Dragonslayer for Turncoat. In this mission, we'll need to eliminate the commander at Fort Narith. So once again, you'll be getting up and coming all the way across to Fort Narith over here. Usually nearby the southmost building over here, the headquarters, you'll find the boss roaming around, but he does have legs and he could travel pretty much everywhere. On the third floor over here, you'll usually find him roaming around with his signature beret. He's on him, but I do remember wiping him out a little bit earlier. Maybe he's on the bottom floor here. Let's have a look. No, he doesn't seem to be here, but he does usually spawn inside of this building here, if not outside the front area over here. Now, you'll see him rocking a signature beret, so a black/grey beret, and a Panzer II, which is the 3x3 chest plate. This might even be him over here. Let's have a look. Nope, this isn't him. Is this one him? No. But essentially, he'll be roaming around somewhere in this area here. It's difficult to catch him. You'll pretty much just need to wipe out everything in this area, and eventually you should catch him as one of the bots that you happen to kill him. He usually spawns in the building and then roams around, so just keep that in mind if you come here and he seems to be missing. It is a little bit unfortunate that I wasn't able to find him, but anyways, hopefully this video should help you. If you need extra help, this is essentially what the boss is wearing, taken from a previous recording. So a beret, Panzer II, aviators, and a silenced AK. You'll know him when you find him, and of course you don't necessarily need to loot him or anything. Just getting rid of him should complete this mission for you anyways. Hopefully this short video helped you. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.